Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Fabriculous Friday. Here we are. Today I am trying to go live on Instagram. I'm not so sure that it actually worked, but we'll see. And so I think it's a little bit behind. This Facebook, but so we'll see. I don't know. It's an experiment for sure. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Fabriculous Friday. Let's see here. I want to make sure that I can see you and public. Okay, so we'll see. Like I said, I'm still learning the ins and outs of all this stuff. So we shall see. Good morning on this kind of rainy morning. Great day to be in the, oh, good. Let's see. There we go. Hi, Dee. Welcome to Fabriculous Friday. Welcome. Yeah, on this rainy morning, a great day to be in the sewing room. And I've got a few things to show you today. Look at this beautiful fall quilt behind me. Isn't this gorgeous? Louise just put this together. She's got, I think, another border to put on, but it is absolutely beautiful. We have a few of these kits going to be available soon. So we will let you know as soon as the kits are available, and I'll even put a link in the Facebook post so you can go order that, or just give us a call and let us know. Good morning, Ruth. Hi, Mary. It is a rainy day. Rainy day. Perfect day to be in the sewing room. It is. So welcome. And thank you to those of you that went and liked and subscribed our YouTube channel. So we will be, probably after Memorial Day, I will be starting on videos on YouTube. So you want to go I will put the link to our YouTube after the video is done today. You'll want to go like and subscribe, because what my plan is for YouTube is to have some instructional videos out there of things that I have learned over the years, anywhere from using a wing needle, how to use a ruffler, and just what I'm working on throughout the week. And so it's going to be really a fun, informational YouTube channel. So you want to make sure, and I will post the link after the live. And so you'll want to keep up with that. Good morning, Laurel, Elizabeth, Donna, Nancy. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Fabriculous Friday. So watch for this wonderful kit. It is coming soon. And then behind me, I have my 4th of July t-shirt. And I decided to go ahead and offer kits for that. If you want me to go ahead and cut you a kit like this, I will even cut the heart out for you. You'll have to sew it on though. And the lace will be included for $5.95. Just let me know. Comment below Americana t-shirt and I'll get you a kit ready. $5.95. So what a deal. And so I'll make as many as I have to. They're just so cute, so fun, and easy to do. And of course, my t-shirt that I got came from Walmart. So I think it was $5 t-shirt, $6 t-shirt. You may even have an old red t-shirt that you want, or a white one. It'd be cute on white, although you might miss the white. I think red would be the best choice. Definitely red. Good morning, Brenda. Hi, Marcia. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Fabriculous Friday. If you are watching me on Instagram, welcome. It is our first live on Instagram. I'm hoping that you're seeing me. And so this is called Fabriculous Friday. I have done this on Facebook forever. And so I come out live every Friday at 10 o'clock. So join me on Instagram. Welcome to the Instagrammers. That's not a word. I just made that up. Okay, so let me show you kind of what I'm working on. First of all, the Bella coat This is a very popular quilted jacket. This jacket is more of a fitted jacket. You know, some of the others are kind of bulky. This is more fitted, and it has a zipper all the way up the front. And so what the first process is for this jacket is actually quilting the pieces. So I just want to kind of give you a sneak peek on what I'm doing. I'm getting ready to do the sleeves. That's the last thing I have to quilt. So you actually have pieces they tell you to cut. This is going to be the collar. Is that fun? So what I've done is I've chosen one of my decorative stitches and used that to quilt with. This is just some straight line quilting. And then I've got the fronts of the jacket is one of my favorite pieces of fabric. It is the sewing machines with the kitty cat sitting in the butter cookie tin that Grandma used as her button box. See that? So cute, and I love the colors. So what I've done here on the Bernina, it has this wonderful stitch. Kind of looks like a saddle stitch. And so I'm doing that on the front. And then on the back yoke, I decided to have more fun with my decorative stitches. And I have used a variegated thread. So lots and lots of fun. This is also a stitch that's built into many of your sewing machines. It's just a kind of a slow scallop. And so lots of fun on this jacket. So you can definitely use your imagination. So you quilt the pieces first, and then you cut your jacket out and put it together. Very excited to get this done because I've had a lot of fun with my decorative stitches. Again, that is the Bella quilt coat. And like I said, it's a more fitted jacket, so it looks a little bit more tailored. And so I'm excited to get that together and show you. So slowly getting there. Hopefully today I will get the sleeves done. And I think I'm going to mix it up a bit, and I'm going to do the sleeves on the serger with decorative thread in my chain looper. So it's going to be a cross hatching with decorative thick thread. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So don't forget your sergers, girls. If you have a serger that is a 5 thread or one that can actually do the chain stitch, you have some really cool options. So don't forget your serger. I also wanted to let you know that the Quilters Truckers hat is in stock. So those of you that told me to hold you one, they are here. They're here and ready to go. All right? They are here. Okay. Welcome to Instagram. If you're on Instagram, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're excited you're here. Okay. I posted these yesterday. These are the little mini sewing machines. The size of the little capsule that it comes in, the little pod, is 2 inch by 3 inch. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? We don't need these at all, but we want them. And the hand wheel turns the needle, and the dials actually turn. This is a replica of the Janome 521 series machines, which we sold lots of. How cute are these? So if you just absolutely have to have one of these, let me know what color it is. Looks like blue, gray, pink, or green. How cute. These should be coming in soon. So it's just one of those silly things that it's like they're $12.99. You know, they're really, it's just awesome. So yeah, fun stuff. You gotta have one. It has a little foot control and everything. I don't think the foot control works, but it's just so cute. Okay, the Lamont bag is back in stock. Those that wanted the Lamont bag, it's back in stock. Just let me know that I think some of you have your names down for that Lamont bag. It's here. I'm getting ready to make another one before class. We have a class. I think it's sold out already, but I may schedule another one. Okay. Speaking of scheduling classes, I have decided to do another kids camp. This is going to be a back to school bash. So they're going to make a water bottle holder, a bookmark, and a pencil holder, like a little roll-up, pencil roll-up. This is going to be super cute. I do not have these in the computer yet, but it's coming. So I will also put a link on Facebook and Instagram to let you know when they're ready to sign up for. So if you have a little one that you would like to get them in the sewing camp this year, I think they're usually sold out. So I actually am going to schedule 2, just so I get all the kids in that want to participate. So we always have a lot of fun with our kids, and they're always so proud of what they make. It's an awesome thing. Now, if you're looking for a new sewing machine, the Bernette B37, which is a wonderful machine. It's a computerized, nice, basic machine. It's got some decorative, but it's more of a little workhorse. Right now, if you purchase the B37 Bernette, you get this cute machine tote absolutely free. Look how cute. And I can't just buy them and sell them because I already asked. And no, they only come with the purchase of the B37. But then they have the B38, which is Yaya Han. Now, some of you already have this machine, and you're going to be really bummed. Because right now, with the purchase of the Yaya Han, guess what? They have another tote bag that is purple with her signature on it that your machine fits right in. Absolutely free with the purchase of the Yaya Han B38. So I wanted to tell you girls, if you're looking for a machine or for that beginner sewer, now is a good time to buy because they have these great tote bags. I think this is the second time that they've offered this. Absolute sold out the first time. So this is the second time they have offered this. Hi, Susan. Good morning. Hi, Lori. Yes, we do have a lot of fun events. I wonder if I can scroll. Oh, I can. Hi, Jane, Susan, Kathy, Sherry, Linnell, Becky. I'm going backwards here. Wilma, Marcia, Connie. Yes, it is, Elizabeth. It is an awesome jacket. So I cannot wait to get mine finished. All right. And then brand new in from Moda. Y'all know what Minky is. The softest fabric in forever. You just want to cuddle up with it. Just to get some and just cuddle up with it. They have one that is called Christmas Eve Cuddle. Look at this. It is a pre-printed. It looks like it's pieced. Look at this. It is absolutely beautiful. This is Minky. All right. Then we have coordinates to go with it. Paula is getting ready to make a throw for her that uses the printed cheater. We call it a cheater panel in the middle. She's going to use a gray Minky, a small gray Minky border, and then finish it out with this for the border. This is also Minky. How much do those two machines weigh? Karen, that's a good question. I'm not real sure. So I will try to find that out for you. They are not extremely heavy. And so it would be a good take along. You know, I'll try to find out and then I'll post it after the live. Okay. So I'll try to find that out for you. I'm sure it is somewhere. Yeah, it's somewhere. I'll find it for you. Okay, let's see. What else do I have? If you want this kit for the t-shirt, just let me know, Americana T, and I will get you a kit. $5.95. The lace comes with it, and I'll even cut out the heart for you so it's, and back it with heat and bond light so it's ready to go on. So you don't have much to do. Stick it on, sew it on, you're ready to rock. You can wear it this weekend. That's how quick. Okay, let's see. I think, I'm looking around here, I think that's it. So I hope that this showed up on Instagram. If it did, welcome Instagram. I'm excited to be on live. Hopefully it did. And so I will, do you know when the Purplissima irons will be in? Those, I believe, were next month, maybe, Gail. So I will confirm that as well and let you know. I want to say, I know we had to pre-order, and I want to say usually that's a month out. So I will check on that for you for sure. Yes, the purple. Yeah, the purple irons. Then you need a purple Yaya Han machine to go with it. You know, the Yaya Han machine has purple all over it. It's gorgeous. It really is a pretty machine. So, good morning, Darlene. Well, thanks for joining me, everybody. I will post our YouTube link so you can go and like. So you're ready to watch the how-to videos when I get ready to post them and get alerted for that. So go like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Welcome Instagram and Facebook. And I will see everybody next week. All right? So happy sewing, everybody. Bye.